Good morning, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Check-In Friday. How are you today? Today's coffee cup says coffee, please. And here's why. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is my first cup of coffee today. A bee just landed on my finger, but it's okay. She's not gonna get me. Smell this little piece of delight. See the bumblebee floating around? Okay, so on Check-In Friday, you know what I like to do at this point. I love to go back and revisit the 4 areas of the week that I consider to be my core foundation: meals, movement, mindset, and my relationship with money. I want you to follow along and to think of what activities you've done in those areas to help keep you on your consistent game of living a happy and healthy life, of designing your life your way. So for me, I walked every day this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I had 2 personal training sessions. One we did a meditation, and one we actually did a personal training workout. So that's on the movement side. Meals have been amazing. We've been eating low carb dinners that we've been making together. Love that. I went out twice though, out of boredom. I'm gonna be completely honest, guys. I ate out twice out of boredom. So that's an area of improvement, right? Once you become aware and you accept and you understand why you're doing, then you can move to the next phase of making the better choices. And I know why I did it. I was just bored and restless and wanted out of the house, and yeah, it didn't help me feel better. Yeah, we know that. That's okay. My mindset work, I start every day off with mindset work. It's a non-negotiable, especially my weekdays. Affirmations, gratitudes, journaling. My day wouldn't be the same without those components in my relationship with money. So this week I went through and I looked at a few bills, and I decided that there were some things I no longer need. So it's time for me to go through my credit card statements again and to revisit what I'm using, what subscriptions I'm using, what I'm not using, and what's going through. That can save you quite a bit of money. Moving from one life coach to a different life coach can save you a little bit of money. Sometimes reevaluating where you're at can definitely have a big impact on your relationship with money. Plus, money is abundant, and when you live in that space, there's always more than enough to go around. So, how are your wins this week in the areas of meals, movement, mindset, and your relationship with money? I want to hear from you. We'll talk soon.